Hello and welcome to It's My Vibe by Arpita. My name is Arpita and namaste to my lovely audience. So today we are at Gold Souk and I will show you this place because Dubai is known for its famous gold, and we are at this famous Gold Souk where you'll see so many different varieties of jewelry and everything is made up of gold. So I'll show you how it looks like, and we'll be entering the Gold Souk, so that's the entrance. They have literally like a bag of gold. All these jewelries. Diamonds. Look at that. So they have literally a dress made up of gold and all the necklaces and scarves made of gold. Look at that. So it's a huge necklace and all these designs, and there's literally like a scarf and a dress around, like a huge golden necklace. And that's the entrance point of Gold Souk. So we're just entering. There's an ice cream shop. These are all different stores here. And that's how all the different markets look like. So this is Gold Souk. I'll give you like a 360-degree tour of all the shops that are around here. And there's so many different shops, so I'll show you this Cannes Jewels. That's the one. Then you have, because these names are in Urdu. There's 925 silver plata, which we don't want to buy. There's Amira Al Sharak. There's Marhaba. There is so many different shops. They are taking pictures around here. So I got some gold jewelry for myself. So I got a chain, a ring, actually 2 rings and a bracelet for myself, which I'll be showing when I go home. But I did my gold shopping from Anwar Jewelers because they had like zero making charges, and they take VAT in which you get refunds. So they give you like a receipt and you get certain amount back from that refund. So yeah, these are all the beautiful shops. I did my shopping from Anwar Jewelers, and some of the jewelers may say that, you know, that you can't. Look at the beautiful rings. Stunning. And so some of them may say that no, you have to pay like making charges, but no. And we went to Anwar Jewelers because we did our research and we didn't have to pay any making charges, and you do pay VAT, but you get refund after the receipt that they give you, and you can show that receipt in the airport and you get certain amount out of that as well. So yeah, so I did my shopping. This was like a Gold Souk which I wanted to show you. So today I am at Dubai Museum of Future.
Assalamu alaikum. Greetings everyone. My name is Aya. I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytelling.
सोलर सिस्टम नहीं होता स्पेस से जो प्रोजेक्ट जो स्पेस ग्रह जिसके सन है उसके अराउंड ग्रह घूम रहे हैं तो अपनी पृथ्वी भी वैसी है वो दिखा रहे हैं. How beautiful that is. NASA STS-51L. Oh, it's gone? Oh, yeah. Yes, this is me in the space. I'm going to the moon with all my gear and everything ready. Look how cool I'm looking. But do I know how to survive in space? Maybe not. Very good. Thank you. ले रही हूँ. ये पापा का है. पापा है स्पेस स्टेशन में ऐसे लगेंगे. आता है वो. ये है राजू इन स्पेस. कहाँ गए थे आप? मून में गए थे कि मार्स में गए थे? That's mummy in moon. मम्मी ये आप हो इधर स्पेस स्टेशन में मून पे जाने के लिए रेडी.
Energy flow.
Is that the energy
So
flow?
that is all the energy flowing.
एनर्जी ऊपर जाते हुए
Nutrition.
पेड़ को खाना जब देते हैं. बारिश कैसे आती है? फोटोसिंथेसिस का नहीं
बारिश पड़ने के बाद में उसमें क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं
वो पूरा दिखा रहा है अंदर कैसे होता है. future of the perfume. So they ask you 20 questions, and when you fill the questions, they make a perfume based on your personality. So that's what it is. And that is there's a big plane there, and these are all the fancy cars of Dubai.
ऑडियो ऑडियो अर्पिता जी
ऑडियो
हो
ऑडी
ऑडी ऑडियो
बोलते हैं ऑडियो
वीडियो
हाँ, मैं हिंदी बोल सकता हूँ। आपको किस बारे में जानना है? India's future is full of potential with its rich culture, innovation, and young population driving growth. There's a strong emphasis on technology, sustainability, and education, which could lead to significant advancements and opportunities.
That's cyber dog. इसको cyber dog बोलते हैं। ऐसा ही आपके इंडिया में भी दिखेगा कुछ टाइम।
फोटोज निकालेंगे ये
Viewing deck. So what do you have to do here?
we take the viewing deck, we take the photos, and then they give you the photos.
What do they do?
First you go there and then you do the viewing deck. Once the viewing deck is done, then you go there and then you pay and they will give you a souvenir.
Oh, okay.
chicken bunia.
So this was the Dubai Museum of the Future. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I couldn't talk much because we were inside and there were like a lot of things going on where they do the commentary, and then there's a lift, there's an area where you can't talk, and there are a lot of other rules and regulations as well which we have to follow. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and now we'll be going to Dow Cruise after this for dinner, and I hope the experience turns out to be amazing. But right now we are sitting waiting for our driver to come, so meanwhile I'll show you how the view is from here where we are sitting. Absolutely stunning, and that's the museum. As you can see, it looks amazing from outside, and that is the view of all the buildings and infrastructure. There's a metro going, then you have all the cars coming, there's a driveway. We are just sitting on the corner just waiting for our driver to come, but this is the view that you're getting. And yeah, that's the museum where we went, and I would recommend it to everybody who is coming to Dubai to definitely visit this museum because it is so beautiful. Like, there are things inside that I won't be able to explain. There are colors around, you know, there are so many things. There's space if you're interested in space, if you're interested in robotics, if you're interested in cars, and much more. I won't be able to explain it till the time you actually go in and have that experience yourself. I will post the clips that we have taken, like the snippets, in this video. And yeah, that was our experience with our family, who are a little bit tired but not so tired that we can't go to Dow Cruise. So there's another activity awaiting after this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.